Steno Wale Babu welcomes you. Shorthand dictations in male and female voice from all sources like magazines, speeches, and editorials at various speeds up to 120 WPM for various departments like SSC, DSSB, CRPF, Delhi Police, etc. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.
Exercise number 7. Honorable members, while Sardar Patel, with his extraordinary abilities, had accomplished the challenging objective of geographic and political integration of the nation, the task of economic integration remained incomplete. Our traders and entrepreneurs always faced difficulties in sale and purchase of their goods and in complying with different tax regimes prevalent in different states. Now, with the implementation of a comprehensive tax reform like the GST, the concept of one nation, one tax, one market has been realized. GST is proving instrumental in establishing an honest and transparent system of trade and commerce, which is also benefiting the country's youth. This system, while reducing the difficulties faced by traders, has enhanced their ease of doing business across the country. I congratulate my compatriots for wholeheartedly embracing the new system in a short span of time in the interest of a better future for the country in spite of the initial bottlenecks. My government is continuously improving the GST regime, keeping in view the suggestions being received from the business community. The primary focus of my government has been to enable our youth to earn their livelihood with dignity while also creating employment opportunities for others. In order to facilitate self employment, my government has introduced wide ranging reforms which are being appreciated globally. As a result of these reforms, India's position has improved by 65 places in the ease of doing business ranking from 142 in 2014 to 77 now. This is an extraordinary achievement. Honorable members, during the last 4.5 years, the economy of the country has been growing at a rate of 7.3% on an average. India is playing a significant role in international trade, while India's contribution to the world GDP was 2.6% in 2014. It has increased to 3.3% in 2017 As per the latest reports, India has emerged as the sixth largest economy in the world. This is an opportune moment for the country to play a decisive role in the fourth industrial revolution, and my government is committed to ensure that our citizens take full benefit of this opportunity. As a result of the Make in India initiative, effective outcomes in the field of industrial development and employment generation are clearly visible. Thank you.